Greetings to travel enthusiasts around the world. Following our explorations of Verona and Venice, we now turn our attention to Padua, a city rich in history and another gem of the Veneto region, before continuing on to San Marino. Let's begin!
Yesterday, we returned from mainland Italy and stayed at Hotel Lugano Torretta. The next day, we traveled west from Venice to Padua, covering approximately 37.7 kilometers, about 23.5 miles, in just 25 minutes. From there, we arrived at our destination, the historic city of Padua. We began by exploring Padua's open-air markets, which feature a wide range of items such as clothing, accessories, woven baskets, and bags. Nearby, the Abbey of Santa Giustina was clearly visible, allowing us to approach and observe its impressive exterior and entrance. Inside the abbey, visitors can pray and admire the altar, paintings, stained glass windows, and detailed sculptures that highlight its classical beauty. The church also features a marker commemorating Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart's 250th anniversary from 1771 to 2021. In summary, that was a brief exploration of Padua, wasn't it? Padua is a historic city located in the Veneto region, renowned for its art, architecture, historic sites, churches, piazzas, and more. Discover more about exploring the city rich in history and its surroundings.
Indeed, we have explored 3 cities in the Veneto region, and our next destination is San Marino. This journey highlights the significance of exploring the world's smallest countries. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.